Hello, hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss our last topic from the lesson number 7 is basic arithmetic operators. Let us have a look. Basic arithmetic operators. That means I already told you sum, average, maximum, minimum, count. These are all called arithmetic operators. Let us have a look how to perform and how to do these operations in MS Excel. With this class, I am going to conclude with this auto sum feature also, how to use the auto sum, how to get the average with the auto sum from this class. Let us have a look. Yeah, students, you need to first make one sheet like this, create one sheet, and next for roll number 1 we need to count these marks for sum, average, count, maximum value, minimum value. Let us have a look. Click on total or sum below the cell and go to editing group, click on auto sum and click on sum option and select the option from B2 to G2 SST up to the SST marks. Click on enter key. It's around 519. Same with the next one. Select the cell and go to editing folder, click on auto sum and click on sum option. From Hindi marks, roll number 2 Hindi, it is B3 to G3 SST. Click on enter. It is 446 marks total or sum. Now I need to apply this same formula to all the cell, all the values we need to get the sum only. So click on this cell and click on this, move the mouse pointer to that rectangle bottom right corner and click on, drag and click it up to roll number 5. See here, 478, 483 and 470. These are the marks. Now how to find the average for these marks? Click on the cell, go to editing folder, auto sum feature, click on average button. From Hindi marks to up to SST marks, that means B2 to G2. Select that one and click on enter key. See here, you can see this one, and next one also I am going to do like that. Click on average option, from where to where, from B3 to G3. Click on enter. 74.33. Same with the case, I need to make it for all the roll numbers. See here, you can see 74.33. roll number 3 got 79 and roll number 5 got 78 percentage. Not percentage, it's average. Next we are going to count the numbers. How many subjects are there here? Let us have a look. It is around 6 subjects. Let us see how to count. Click on auto sum and click on count numbers. From B2 to G2. Click on enter. See, it's finded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 6 is the total. Now here I want to find same count but up to B3 to F3. Click on enter. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there. Here I want to count only these 1, 2, 3. Let us see how to. Click on auto sum, click on count numbers. From where? Here to here. B4 to D4. Click on enter. See, 3 is there. Same, I am going to copy this formula for remaining also up to. So these are also 3, 3. Now maximum marks. How many maximum marks? How can we get it? From here to here. Click on here and click on max option. From where to B2 to G2. Click on enter key. It's a 96 is the maximum mark. Same formula I am going to apply for all the roll numbers. See, 78 is the highest marks here. Here 98 is the highest marks. Here 86 is the highest marks. Here and 98 is the highest marks for roll number 1. Same with the here minimum value or minimum marks, how to get it. Click on auto sum and click on minimum button. From where to where? B2 to G2. Make sure that you need to count only marks. Don't require these. So here is the minimum value is 74. Click on enter C. 74 is the minimum value. Same apply how to formula, how to apply for the all the cell. Click on this one. That right bottom rectangle box, the plus symbol and the mouse pointer converts into the plus symbol. Click and drag up to roll number 5. See here 65 is the least value. Here 48 is the least value. Here 68 is the least value. In this way we can find the sum, average, count, max and minimum values in MS Excel easily. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care, stay safe.